today I want to protect this iPad mini with this cheap case. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Here's my iPad mini. It's a 6th generation with the pencil, and I picked up this by KingBlanc, and it's an iPad protective case that also should have a little slot for the pencil as well, because you don't want to leave home without it. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, see what it looks like, and see if they'll work together. Alright, so here's my iPad mini and pencil. Here is the iPad protective case. Let's just go ahead and open this guy up. It says it's quality control passed. Good thing that wasn't a requirement on me. Otherwise, they would have never let me on YouTube. But what we have here is a cover that has a nice natural look to it, but I'm sure there's no natural fibers in it, Jerry. And kind of looks like a old school leather pad folio. KingBlanc in silver right there. A little bit of a three-tone here effect. Kind of looks nice. Kind of has a little bit of a modern 60s vibe to me. Obviously you can see that stitching there. Feels nice in the hand. Like a little rubbery, grippy, which is what you want when you're holding kind of precious material like this. But what I also kind of like here is this magnetic clamp. A lot of them have like a moleskin type of elastic band, which is just another thing that you're going to have to do here. When you close this up, what I really liked is the idea that it would almost close by itself, that I don't have to find that strap, run it over, okay? We have some stuff in here for spacing. Little foam, little silica. Don't eat that. The clothes are going to smell noticeably musty. And then we have a honeycomb backing here on a rubberized case here, so it's actually going to provide quite a bit of shock protection. You can see here that we have some stands, right? So you may be familiar with this on the smart case, but cutouts here, the 3 on the bottom, cutout here, I think where you can push out the pencil, a camera, and the top buttons here. So let's go ahead and put this in real time here, just see how difficult it is. I'm gonna throw it in the bottom here. Gotta kind of wedge that in there. Then, yep, alright. What I like is it's nice and secure. What it also does is it provides a little bit of a protective ridge. So if you like putting your hand on it directly on the glass, you're not going to really be able to do that. That is like 1.5 millimeters tall, but it's holding the iPad in. In terms of feel, I guess only once you get to the edge kind of do you notice it, but you know, in most cases I'm going to have my palm up here, you know, working, if that's what you want to do with it. Now, the other thing is I like that it doesn't look like the pencil has to go in either direction. I can just kind of push it in there. It's a nice fit. I can pull it out here with the side opening, and I'm going to put it in this way, top down, and see if it's charging. Yep, it's charging right there. So the cool thing about this is if I put it this way, see if it'll charge this way too. Yep, and it's charging right there. All right, now what I want to show you here is that you can use this like a tablet stand. Put it vertical, use it like a computer monitor, use it like a display. But I think if you were to fold it like this, you could put it down like this and it would be just a little bit of like an elevation for taking notes. So pretty versatile little booklet here, and I love the fact that it makes it easy to lock it because it's locked. Magnetic lock and awake there, and it looks quite handsome. So if you want to pick this up, I also picked it up because it wasn't that expensive. Obviously you can spend $100 $200 on a case, but this guy doesn't want to do that, so that's why I bought it from KingBlanc, the king of blancs. And you can too. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.